Hello everyone! My name is Ozzy.
My name is Zio.
We are from Middle L1. Today we will perform dialogue about degree of comparison. Hello Zio, you look happy today.
Yeah, because I am not exhausted yet.
Why?
Because I didn't do anything.
Look, I have a new book.
That's thinner than mine.
This book is 5,000 rupiah.
That's cheaper than mine. My book costs 7,000 rupiah.
Whoa, that's more expensive than mine.
You're right. Look at my eraser. It's wide and long.
My eraser is smaller than your eraser.
Bye, Ozzy. I'm going home.
Bye-bye, Zio. See you next time.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.